So this assurance we have been given, and we were able to connect the Negrams Hospital and the government of Meghalaya to also discuss the probable impending third wave that may attack a new host of vulnerable citizens, which is our children. We had a threadbare discussion as to how prepared is Meghalaya in the event of the third wave, which may attack children particularly. And situation is not good, but systems will now be alerted. There will be a focused attempt by the government to focus on these issues. We need pediatricians. Other doctors who are not pediatricians should be immediately sent for trainings. Negrams is willing to train them, if I understood correctly. Government of Meghalaya has to immediately procure, prepare beds with ventilators in all the districts, particularly in districts where we're being hit hard, like East Khasi Hills, West Garo Hills, East Jaintia Hills, and West Jaintia Hills. So these are the areas where we need to look at this probable impending third wave.